Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can free up space on your Windows. So what I like to do is I like to open up storage settings here, and then as you can see it's very full. You'll need to go to the temporary files and you just need to select everything, maybe except for downloads. I don't know if there's anything important in downloads. I don't think I do. But you're just going to select remove files and select continue. You're also going to just remove any unused files. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you know any more tips on how you can clear storage on your Windows, just let me know in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and have a great day.